Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very pleasant good morning to all of you. At this moment, I would request to my beloved student, Miss Ayushi Sharkar. She is going to deliver a beautiful speech about our great rebel poet Kaji Nazrul Islam. So, please say something about our great rebel poet Kaji Nazrul Islam.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very pleasant good evening to all of you. My dear honorable parents and my dear loving friends. After parents meeting, today we are celebrating Robindra Nazrul Shandha. So in this proud moment, I would like to say something about our great rebel poet Kaji Nazrul Islam. My dear honorable audience, Kaji Nazrul Islam, a renowned Bengali poet, writer and a great musician. After all, he was a non-sectarian person, which is very important in our current situation. This philanthropist, the symbol of humanity, was born on 24th May 1899 at Churuli in Bardhaman district. He was the second of his three brothers and one sister. This legendary figure came up from a very poor family. His father's name was Kaji Fakir Ahmed and his mother's name was Jahida Khatun. His father died when he was only 8 years old. He had a great vision for his motherland. He inspired thousands of people to fight against the British. He wrote many patriotic songs. His poem Bidrohi inspired men and women in Bengal. He is considered one of the most influential figures in Bengali literature. His work continues to inspire and resonate and readers' skill today. My dear loving audience, this great man is the national poet of our neighbor country Bangladesh. This legendary figure left us 29th August 1976 at Dhaka in Bangladesh. Thank you everyone for listening me. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Let's begin. What a great speech for Miss Ayushi. Fantastic. Chamatkar.